Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And just when you thought I was done, I got more. Now the first watch face we gave you is going to be for the guy who was dressing down, who was going to be dressing super casual for the weekend. This one right here is going to be for the guy who's going out. He's going to be dressing to impress and you want to look good. This is going to be the watch face that you may want to play this weekend. Now we got 3 watch faces in the lineup and all of them are free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. All right, let's go ahead. Let's kick this one off. The name of the watch face is called RJDT Digital Steel. Watch face is off the charts. It looks really good in the always on mode. You're pretty much going to get the same look. But when the watch face is on, I'm loving it. It has that chrono look to it. I like the design. I like the hands on the watch face. You got a nice second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch and the tip is red. Very nice. Now what I like about it is he paid attention to detail. Everything stands out. It pops out at you. You got your little man here that represents that you got your step status info right there. And of course you have your date here and it is interactive, and down at the bottom you get your battery info. Here's going to be your heart rate, and if I tap right here, I can pull up my weather, and if I tap on the little man, I can pull up my step status info. I'm telling you, this watch face has everything that you need, even though you're going out on the town. You can keep up with your steps, your heart rate, and you're in. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this watch face. Let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now this one is by Tina Dial. Tina got down on this one, you all. Now the name of the watch face is called Tina Dial 615. It's an animated watch face, as you can see. Now in the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look, except for you're not going to get the animation, which is cool. Now when watch face is on, yes, the animation shows look like you're in orbit. I like the horizon of the moon down at the bottom, great in detail. I like the theme. At the top, you're going to get your step status info. Right here, you're going to get your digital time, your steps, your heart rate information. Over here, you're going to get your date. And down at the bottom, you're going to get your battery percentage. And you can kind of see the animation of the moon and also the little showers of stars flying through the orbit. I'm thinking Tina got down on this watch face, you all. Again, this one is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Make sure you check this one out. Let's go ahead and check out, last but not least, watch face number 3. Now number 3 is called Nog. If I pronounce that right, GS001. It's a nice looking watch face. You get the best of both worlds. Do not sleep on this watch face. Now, in the always on mode, you get a simple look, nothing to write home to mother about. You'll be able to see your time at a glance with no problem. But when the watch face is on, here's where it really starts to show itself off. And I like the design. I love the unique way to tell time. I like the fact that you get the best of both worlds, analog and digital. Very nice. Your digital time, analog hands looks really nice. And right here is going to be your battery percentage. So when you're close to being full, it's going to turn green. Once you're at 50%, it's going to turn yellow. And when you get to hanging out with low cell like I do most of the time, it's going to turn red. You got your digital time, you got your date, you got your heart rate, and it is interactive. So if I tap on the heart rate, it will bring up my heart rate information. Also, if I tap right here, I can go in and set an alarm. If I tap on the date, I can pull up my calendar. I'm telling you, this watch face offers a lot. Here, I go into my settings. Here, I can go into my step status info. And here, I can get my music player. So for a free watch face, this one here really offers a lot. Okay, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed the trio. I hope you're enjoying your weekend. And I just may have one more for you. So look out. All right, you all, make sure you enjoy the weekend, party, have fun, enjoy family and friends. But most of all, remember people, always be safe. And I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.